Why use Python for web development? Web development is not anything else than a software program on the web. It may be anything, simply so long as you may attain it via a web browser or a command line interface. There is a lot of terrific technology obtainable for constructing those things.
Python has Django.
Django is the principal net improvement framework for Python. It's a totally beneficial series of libraries that come together to shape a totally flexible, powerful, complete platform for constructing any form of net application.
Developers can be aware of creatively annoying obligations in place of low-impact, fundamental issues.
Yet, in case you are a much less skilled developer, we advise the usage of Django as soon as it affords a simpler and quicker internet development.
ONLEI Technologies mainly provide job-oriented trainings for college students and professionals with most advanced technologies experience in hand. Enroll now.
Visit us www.onleitechnologies.com